the boat with one light. I opened like a wound in the sky, and every universe was breathing through me. No beginning, no ending, no body, no name, only the source wearing the face of the paradox. I saw what is real, kiss what was never born, and I was standing in between, like a prayer without a language. My fear was sleeping, wrapped like a newborn. I buried her softly with flowers and salt, but I came back crying with mud on my hands. How could I live without my oldest friend? There is one light on the water, but the night is not my enemy. I choose the way I tremble, I choose the shape of what I see. There is one boat in the silence, and no shore calling my name. If darkness is a frequency, I can change the flame. Mother Earth was bleeding with the moon between her thighs, not dying, not broken, but giving birth through pain. I heard her body thunder like women do in secret, when blood becomes a river and the river remembers God. I held my fear closer than truth and breath. She tasted like poison, but I called her home. She was not a demon, she was not a guide, she was a child I had mistaken for my life. There is one light on the water, but the night is not my enemy. I choose the way I tremble, I choose the shape of what I see. There is one boat in the silence, and no shore calling my name. If darkness is a frequency, I can change the flame. No light, no dark, only the eye that opens. No death, no birth, only the wave returning. Energy beneath me, frequency inside me, vibration becoming the body of the one. I do not kill my fear, I do not crown her queen. I lay her down beside me, and I learn how to be free. There is one light on the water, not to save